want is that for Foxians, PCP entity should carry preference, and the other CEA and the other acts are for IMA, because they are for the general practitioners as well as specialists. But PCP entity is mainly affecting our antenatal care, decreasing the quality of antenatal care, increasing maternal mortality, increasing the rate of septic abortions, and that is making delivering antenatal care very, we are not able to deliver to that quality of antenatal care. So if this PCP entity act goes, no one will fear keeping an ultrasound machine. See, even I wanted to keep an ultrasound machine, but my husband said, no need, I don't want you to go to face the jail or any conviction against you. So you stay at home, we don't need money, we don't need ultrasound, we don't need antenatal care. जैसा कर रहे हो स्टेथो से देख के करते रहो, वीडियो मॉनिटर लगा लो, अल्ट्रासाउंड नहीं लगा. And if this goes, just imagine if we will be using our ultrasound to monitor the females, what level of antenatal care with fetal medicine developing in the world, and we are going back to Stone Age. So if this act is removed, antenatal care will improve a lot. This has to be drilled in the minister's mind that F forms, there are crores of forms which have been filled, but not a single fetal sex determination case has been caught because of that. So what is the use of filling for F form? Then you are compelling the people who already have 2-3 girls to not to deliver a child, and then they go and approach the guys. What is the use? They fall into septic abortions, they land into septic abortions, and the care is bad. So this thing has to be told to them. So if you are forcing an act on somebody, on a family, you are basically you are encroaching into his democratic right. So let them have their sex, let us open the sex of the baby, let them have the sex of the baby they want, one female, one male, and the population will go down, and the people who are going to quacks, to guys, to get the sex determination done, they'll approach the qualified. Then there won't be any problem of sex determination and increased maternal mortality. This has to be explained to them. And if this is explained properly, I don't think so they won't understand in this way. So basically it is a request to both of you, because you are going to fight for Vice President, that when you are elected, please put this point forward, and please, if I can explain it to them, take me along, I'll explain it, but under your name, but please take me along, but this has to be told to them. Most interesting thing is that we have an election of our own association today, and 2 candidates who are fighting for vice presidents from Dr. Gajendra Tripathi from North Zone, Dr. Leela Vyas from West Zone, she's from Jaipur, he is from Delhi. They have come to our election meeting, a very proud moment for us. Let's give them a clap.
I must verify PCP.
It's okay. Yes, that is a very good thing. But if you are elected, we want to see you fighting for it. Not like the other office bearers who commit but don't.
No, I said I detained Prime Minister, Modi, then IMA, and last is the Jantar Mantar also. Roadside fight also.
Yes,
I invite all around 100 doctors, candlelight, candle march in the India Gate, in the Jantar Mantar, to highlight this media to really doctor suffering. It's a very simple, just you come for 1 hour. And you do roadside fight also.
Nice ideas.